We're going to tell you whether you should buy really expensive mezcal
or only somewhat expensive mezcal.
So watch.
Yeah.
Because everything's expensive.
Welcome to Comment Cocktail Stand and who we got?
Yeah, no Ian. You want to know why Ian's out here?
Because he doesn't like mezcal.
That's right.
And he doesn't like the stand-up.
Yeah, that's true too.
So, because of that, it's just going to be us. We're going to create for you the Naked and Famous 2 ways. And here's what we're going to do.
What are we going to do?
We're going to create 2 Montelobos cocktails. One with espadine, one with Tobala. Those are different varieties of agave. I believe Tobala is really rare and hard to get in, like on top of a mountain or some shit. And it's the yield's low. Cost is high. This is $100 a bottle. That I paid.
What's that? Like 40?
$39.99.
39, yeah. So like 40.
Yeah. So that's your
normal, expensive.
I wouldn't even say normal at this point. That's
fucking expensive. This is still expensive. The whole fucking drink's kind of expensive, no matter what.
I never thought of it that way.
I mean,
this is really expensive, but yeah.
This is expensive.
$64.
This is expensive. $29-$30.
Really? Is that how much I pay for that?
I think so.
Oh, I have a lot. 20,
it's at least $25.
We went through 2 bottles of that. And
well, when you're drinking Aperol Spritz, you're like, oh, Aperol Spritz is kind of fucking expensive.
Yeah, that's true. And that's 40. So yeah, it's not a cheap drink. This just makes it really expensive.
Yeah.
That's fair. All right, let's build it out. He disappeared.
Oh, yeah. So it's 3/4 of everything.
Oh yeah, it is.
That's not bad. Oh, we could have used a small one. Oh, son of a bitch, you stole it.
Now you're gonna have to look at the line.
Son of a gun.
You're gonna have to look at the line.
Jen kept telling me that I don't know how to measure. I can see the little line. I can see the lines in there.
You know what I've done lately?
Because it's true.
I spill everything I pour.
It's not true.
Everything I say is true, Dan.
I get it right on the line. You can't see it, but it's really close.
I have just enough.
They need one of those like top
See, because
cameras.
you don't put it on the surface, and you can hold it slanted, and you be pouring over. You don't.
No. When you're an experienced bartender like myself.
That's why we're opening our restaurant.
Yeah, that's right. Cocktails and sandwiches.
Ian, you're gonna come bartend.
Question of the day:
right?
Would you come to a bar that Dan and Jennifer opened if you had to go to, like, say, I don't know, Nashville, New Hampshire?
Yeah, cocktails and sandwiches.
Book your flights. It's Manchester, so that's MHT Manchester.
The best cocktails you ever had, made by Jen, and the best sandwiches you ever had, made by me. Come on.
You're making the sandwiches. That's your deal.
That's all you do is you sit back, you have a few drinks.
Yeah, you're drinking tea. What could be wrong?
We're gonna do a cocktail sandwich flight.
We could do a live stream.
Oh my god, it's gonna be the best. We're gonna have appearances by Ian.
That's right. Ian's gonna come bartend.
Can I have that?
He's gonna retire by then.
Yeah, maybe we're gonna let Derrick behind the bar, but we haven't quite decided on that yet.
I'm probably gonna have to be working for a living. Cause I don't know.
It's gonna be awesome.
We got water in here.
We do. Better drink that shit.
That was good.
What'd you make?
What?
Strain into a chilled.
We call this a Naked and Famous.
Oh,
2 ways.
I know. Expensive and non-expensive.
Yes.
I'll do the expensive way because I'm a rich motherfucker. I roll deep.
$100 bills, y'all.
Dan can't be rich. He built a kitchen.
It's gonna take me longer.
Yeah. He likes to invest it in food
Holy crap, those
and
are
kitchens. That's what we do. We don't waste time.
So it almost looks like Division Bell, obviously.
This is good Aperol.
Naked and Famous. Our executive producer, Steve V. He's been a Patreon subscriber since August 16th.
Oh my god, happy
2016.
American Tag Touch Day.
American Tag.
It's Touch Tag Day.
I don't even know what either fucking one of those things mean.
Come on, you never played that as a kid. Touch, you're it.
Yeah.
Touch Tag
October
Day?
8th.
Yes. Tag.
Touch tag.
Touch,
Touch
tag.
tag.
Touch tag.
Touch,
Tag. What does tag mean?
How else do you play tag if you don't touch somebody? Why do you gotta put it in the name? Shit, I'm spilling all over the place.
Just drink it and stop getting so angry.
Why'd you fill it so much if you're just gonna fill it into my bar and I have to clean that? It's touch
that's no
and
problem.
go. That's the name. That's what tag stands for.
Oh, you don't like it, Dan. I can
Oh, yeah.
tell.
How can you not like
something
it?
I like.
Oh, chartreuse, really?
I don't know.
You can't taste chartreuse. Can you?
Well, can you tell the difference? That's what I want to know.
I don't know. I've taken a lot of that one. Sweet. It's got a little Aperol,
Yes.
but no bitter.
There's a little bit of like a
bit
burn.
smoky. In that one?
And it's not. I mean, it's not like a smokiness to it. The smokiness is definitely comes through. Like that one, it doesn't come through.
Really? I thought it was the opposite.
Really?
Yeah.
No.
You have weird taste. You like that other bad drink.
Me? Which?
The Bar Hill
You
one.
like the bad Negroni.
No.
I didn't like any Negroni. I made my statement.
You like
This I
that
think comes
other
across sweeter.
So mine has more alcohol in it by like 3%.
This one I think is definitely
I think yours is sweeter. Mine's and smokier.
definitely. So you get the smoke on the end, and you also this obviously I haven't tasted this. Obviously tastes it tastes a little bit different.
You've tasted it, you just probably don't remember.
Yeah,
You were here for the tasting. It was probably just us.
probably.
But
That's right.
I don't know.
wait,
Like
so you think that the more expensive one is smokier?
yes,
Interesting.
not.
I think.
I mean,
the
not like
cheaper
it's not
ones-
outright
But
smoky.
yeah,
It's like
yeah.
once you drink it, it kind of starts going down.
Mhm.
Like you get the hints of. It's funny. Like this
That one
actually
you get in the
kills.
beginning.
I don't think it's that smoky at all.
What
in
the
this
fuck?
one? In this one, I think it comes like in the back.
Really?
This one's the mid palate smokiness and like a tart grapefruit finish. Like it's sweeter. This one
Yes, this one I think is smokier.
stronger, which it is physically it's stronger. I don't get the smokiness.
Wait, which one's stronger? The less expensive one?
No, the
The more
more
expensive
expensive. I think this one's smokier.
Maybe it's just I think this smoke comes in the middle of the drink. Like you're tasting it, it's like a little sweet.
It's like mixed in there. With this one, like
This
it
one
actually
comes at the
like
end.
like the smokiness is pulled out of the drink.
It comes at the end, so it's a little
And then
bit more
there's
influenced.
there's something else in there too that makes it a little bit different.
It's not grapefruity. Maybe a little bit of
Yeah,
chartreuse.
yeah. But I haven't
Maybe
had
chartreuse.
chartreuse.
Maybe comes out more.
Yeah, they're very much
I don't
different
know.
drinks.
I think I've had too much like bitterness tonight.
Yeah.
Because like my
Yeah.
face, I'm like I can't even fucking drink this shit anymore.
Where's your water, Dan? Drink your water.
I definitely need some water. I need to cleanse the palate.
You need to do something. You need a salt water.
Maybe
You need salt water.
Change the direction of the drinks.
Yeah, well, that's easy because outside of this, we just have some tequila to review. That's it. I think I like the sweetness of the cheaper version of this better. I would say that out of the two of these, even though they are quite different in taste, where the smoke comes, where the sweetness is, this has a little bit more potency. The fact that this is so much cheaper is like it's just fine.
I think this one tastes better.
You like that one better?
I
You
do.
like you like the extra.
I just like the the taste is.
Yeah.
And that's the more expensive one or
Yeah.
the cheaper one?
The more
more
expensive one is definitely like a
But I bet you could take this mezcal,
that crazy one.
that one,
This one?
and make this drink
Be
and
smokier?
make it
Yeah, that'd be cheaper. Like because
But this does have like
I mean, it's
a.
not meant to be mixed, I don't think.
Does
I
this
don't
have
know.
like a? I can't remember tasting it, so I don't know if it has like a. Does it have like a fruity or like
I
a?
don't remember either, so.
Oh.
Yeah,
we have to watch the video.
yeah. I'll also watch the video, or we'll just try them later.
Yeah, we're just
The fact of the matter is, for the different, like, this is a really expensive cocktail. So if you're already rolling this deep, sure, go ahead, buy a $100 bottle. I just know that a lot of people that I only know of one person on Instagram who said I have both. I think he said. This one, he's like, I don't know about mixing it with drinks.
Well, then that's what.
That is the fact
Yeah.
that I have
That's
this
what we
and
wanted,
can
yeah.
do it is the only reason I do it. If I had a scarcity on mezcal, I probably would not mix it into a cocktail. I would just drink it straight and enjoy it as it is because it's $100. But this is a show. I don't fucking care. So
Well, it's good. You can
Well,
try
it's
it,
something to
right?
figure out.
Yeah.
this saves you from doing the same.
Yeah.
Personally, I would say go with this Montelobos. Try this. If the drink is a little too sweet, there's two
I mean, if
things
you
can do.
like the
bring
drink.
down the sweetness.
Yeah, and if you
I don't
like
do
the
that.
drink, I think this is the first time I think we've put something that's more expensive in
Yeah.
that actually enhances the drink
Oh, that's true.
that I think is better.
Right.
That a lot of times we try this with
Yeah.
a lot of different
And it's
stuff,
never ever.
and it's usually never because usually anything like expensive, aged, like really needs to be by
It's meant to
itself.
be- yeah,
Right.
it's meant to be
Yeah.
by itself.
So the impact is that does make the drink better for the price, which is different than normal.
Yeah,
If you wanted to buy, if you only have access to this, you want to buy this, you can make the Naked and Famous. If it is too sweet, toned back the yellow chartreuse because that's probably the sweetest of all.
I mean, it's good. I mean, because if you have a bottle of Yellow Chartreuse, it's not like you're making like
A
1,000 drinks with this stuff.
Probably like
And it's
Corpse
not like
Survivors
that's
and
cheap either.
Yeah, and you're like, holy shit, I finally get to make a drink with this?
a bijou cocktail. I mean, the other thing is the green chartreuse, equally expensive,
Yeah.
has more herbal properties, so the yellow's a little bit sweeter. If you have chartreuse in your bar, you've already
Well, then
beyond
you should
this.
try, that's what I mean. If you have a bottle of this, adding this to it isn't,
Not
Yeah,
that
it's
hard.
not that.
yeah.
True. Well, there you go. Go make
Yeah,
yourself
try it.
a $180 glass of a naked.
It's like that
it's-
one at,
You can make
Curtis's
multiple
bar.
glasses.
I mean, I can tell you, like, if you don't have green chartreuse, then try the Division Bell first,
Yeah.
Which was
And-
another video we.
which is a video that'll be down, like, there or there.
Somewhere.
Like, it'll be somewhere. Like, Count My Cocktails Division Bell. We drink it all the time.
Recipe.awesomedrinks.com.
Drink that first. Don't go out and buy this.
Right.
Drink that first, and if you like that,
Sure.
then
Yeah, you don't need.
then this could be a step up to that.
Right, because it's just this without
Yeah.
the yellow chartreuse and maybe some lime.
Yeah,
Yeah, I think it's got lime. I don't know. We only made it like an hour ago.
I know.
Anyway,
That was like 4 mezcals later.
there's more drinks over
It's
here.
foggy.
Yeah, that was like
We've deconstructed that bitch.
13 fucking sips of like hard alcohol later.
Yeah. I said Stephen V. Everybody's history. There isn't really any history. It was created by Death and Company in New York City, circa 2011. There you
Steven,
go.
I'm looking
We
at
went
your
there.
bar.
We've
I
been
know
there.
it's in there.
We went to
We've
Death
been
and Company. It wasn't.
We went to
weren't
Death and
thrilled.
Company.
We weren't
Yeah, it
thrilled.
wasn't. That was the one we waited in line. And
Well,
they told
yeah,
us
it
we
was
had
a
to fill out
long
random dude.
freaking wait.
Right,
and,
it
like,
wasn't.
And nobody was in there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It wasn't as like
You know what? If you wait in line,
personable as
Right.
we
No.
thought it was going to be.
Right.
Like,
If you
we
wait-
found some other really nice bars.
Yes.
we
that-
waited for an hour. And I think that bitter place we found that we wanted. We thought, oh, Ian would like
Oh,
this.
Ian would
That
love
would-
You
that.
would love
that was the better.
This drink would have been at the bitter place.
Yeah. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
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 Because it doesn't have any juices. They didn't have juices.
Yeah.
Anyway, I don't know what the bitter place is called, so you guys get no free advertisement. Sidebar videos.
It's
with,
probably not open anymore because it was like the size of a closet.
It's true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Especially
you're
right
all
now.
shut down.
Yeah, and then you can't go to a bar right now, so
Right.
it doesn't really matter.
Aperol and bitter drinks are probably over there. Down below, awesome drinks, bartenders.
So that's why you need to watch the show more.
Right.
Go out buy some alcohol.
you
Get your
You're
close
already
friends
old.
that you've quarantined with.
quarantine
Uh,
drinking.
you gotta have your COVID. You gotta have your
24/7.
COVID group.
friends.
COVID
So
cohort.
you have your COVID. So you have your COVID cohort. Get your COVID cohort, which should only be, like
16
people.
people.
At the most.
No, 16 is too much. You can't go
6 people at the most.
like 6 people that you see.
23.
That's your COVID cohort, and then you guys can try making drinks.
Yeah, you just mix it all together.
Because that's what's fun.
You save yourself so much more money.
Yeah.
Because this drink is, you can make 25 of these
Yeah.
or so. Yeah, you could make 25 of these.
Yeah.
Anyway, there's a sidebar over there.
All right.
This video's down below. Or no, wait.
Just keep drinking, because that's what we do.
Because we're teaching how to drink.
Yes.
That's what we do.